Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is TIRTIR Collagen, Lifting Eye Cream. This eye cream eliminate dark spots, wrinkles, dark spots, sagginess under the eyes, made of collagens that help nourish, tighten the skin. 5 types of peptide help eliminate wrinkle skin problems. Niacinamide to eliminate black spots. Adenosine, tighten the skin, help look younger, and Persea gratissima, oil moisturize and refresh. Available in $16. Designed with a metal ball tip applicator for hygienic application. Clinically proven to reduce eye wrinkles, improve skin density, and firm skin in the area after 4 weeks of use. Comes in a refreshing watery texture with a light floral scent. How to use. Press down the pump once to dispense appropriate amount of cream. Apply a moderate amount of eye cream on the desired area with the massage ball applicator. Gently roll along the skin with wrinkles and then tap for better absorption. Can be used on other areas that need anti-wrinkle care such as the forehead, neck, and ADV area around the mouth. After use, clean the metal ball applicator. Final thought. By using it, you notice the superhydrated area. The underwear feels softer, lightweight, stretchy, and comfortable. Texture-wise, it absorbs easily. I love their metal ball applicator, which provides a refreshing effect and helps to decongest the area. Thanks for watching.